Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to sync contacts on iPhone with Gmail account. If you are using any iPhone and you want to sync your contacts from your Gmail account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your iPhone settings, just scroll down and look for apps section, select that and then scroll down, look for the contacts app. Simply tap on your contacts app and here select contacts account, then tap on add account and here select Google. Then tap on open browser and here you just have to log in with your Gmail account. Once you have logged in with your Gmail account, you'll get this and your account section. You can see here my Gmail account. I have already added one. Simply tap on this and here you have enabled to contact section. So you just have to simply enable this contacts. Once you have enabled, your contacts will be automatically be synced from your Gmail and you will get it and your contacts or your phone app. Here you will get all of your contacts which you have saved on your Gmail account. So in this way you can easily sync your contacts on iPhone with your Gmail account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.